constituency and from River State. My point of order is on personal explanation. Mr. Speaker, I have noticed, with due respect to you, Mr. Speaker.
Say your point of order is?
Personal explanation. I have noticed, Mr. Speaker, with due respect to you, Mr. Speaker, each time you preside, you do not give preference to first-timers. Look at the mover of the motion is a ranking member. Virtually everyone who contributed here were all ranking members. You need to allow for fresh ideas. You need to allow for fresh ideas, Mr. Speaker. Some of us, we know more than the old ranking members. Allow us to speak. I took time to listen. Virtually everyone who contributed here are all ranking members. And this is always what you do. And I don't like it. So if you allow me, I'll make my contribution, Mr. Speaker. You allow me, I'll make my contribution. This matter is very critical to our country.
All right, thank you very much. You see, there is no discrimination in the parliament. Focusing, sometimes we give one per role. So if you happen not to be on that role, when we call for people to raise their hand there, it might elude you. I was also once a first-time member. And I knew that I was not discriminated against. So let's not make it first-time member or that is not the right way of discussing it. All right, so I want to put the question. Those in support of this motion say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Is Honorable Bello Shehu in the house, please?